show. Here on the Animal Show. Here on the Animal Show. From the ocean over the clouds and around the world, here's the wild side of wildlife, the Animal Show. And now it's a world welcome for your best friends, Festus and Brad. Now it's the Animal Show. Hello, little animals out there. I'm Festus, and I'm Brad. I'm Kitty, I'm Freddy, and I'm Rex. And today, we'll meet a Gentoo penguin and a military macaw. Two birds. Now, we'll be right back after this. And now it's time for That's Amazing. Today, we're going to learn what a dropping looks like from a penguin. Some penguin poop is pink because of the food they eat. Pink poop from a penguin. Sounds like another one of those animals that'll make you. Sounds like another one of those animals that'll make you say, "That's amazing." Now it's time for our first guest. Here he is, all the way from Antarctica. Here is Frankie, the Gentoo penguin. Hi, Frankie. I'm Rex. I'm Kitty. I'm Freddy. I'm Brad. And I'm Festus. Now, let's learn the laugh of a Gentoo penguin. Sure thing, Brad. Okay, now, where do you live? We live in the icy regions. We live in the icy regions of Antarctica and the sub-Antarctic islands. Now, what do you eat? We usually eat a mix of crustaceans, small fishes, and squid. Now, do you have any predators? In the sea, leopard seals, sea lions, and killer whales are all predators of the Gentoo. I don't see a lion. Now, thanks. No, sea lions, the predators of our species. Now, thanks, Frankie, for showing what's life for a Gentoo penguin. No problem, Brad. Goodbye. Bye.